Hi somebody. Hi somebody. Hi somebody. Welcome to Rebel for a Spell. Trust your decisions. Be the truest you. We continue our month-long series, Self-Care, Rebel for a Spell. Come one, come all. Let's love up ourselves. Month-long tips, sleep. Darlings, I've told you I've suffered from insomnia all of my life, but the last 6 months have been blissful. I found this little bitty. It is by Housebay. It is a white noise machine offering you a variety of sound, volume, and it can run all through the night. It is the savior of my life at the moment, darlings. I turn it on. My favorite is the rain sound of thunder. Self-care, rebel for a spell. Come one, come all. Let's love up ourselves. Month-long tips, sleep. But this little bitty has saved my life. I have gotten 8+ hours of sleep over the past 6 months. I have gotten rid of my sleeping pills. My Tylenol PM, be gone. I do not need any assistance sleeping. All I need is this little nugget, white noise machine. And darlings, one of the favorite things that I love, if I don't use the machine, is the rainstorm. Rainstorm, rebel for a spell, that I recorded on my phone. I have it here for you, my loves. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have a peaceful night's rest and you find remedies of self-care. Rebel for a spell. Come one, come all. Let's love up ourselves. Month-long tips. Sleep. Enjoy the rainstorm. Rebel for a spell.
Another video is waiting for you.